DVI cables ensure stable, high-speed digital video transmission with sharp image quality for monitors, projectors, and professional displays. My today's video is about top 5 best DVI cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Blue Rigger DVI cable. This DVI to DVI 24+1 cable delivers reliable, high-quality digital video performance for a wide range of devices. It easily connects DVI-equipped computers or media sources to flat panel displays, digital CRT monitors, projectors, HD TVs, and other DFP or LCD screens, making it a versatile choice for both home and office setups. The cable features a fully coated and shielded PVC outer layer that effectively minimizes RFI and EMI interference, ensuring a stable and distortion-free signal. Gold-plated connectors enhance conductivity and resist corrosion, maintaining consistent performance over time. Fully compliant with DWG DVI standards, it supports hot plugging and resolutions up to 1080p, with high-speed digital transmission rates of up to 4.95 gigabits per second for crisp, clear visuals. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and responsive US-based customer support, this cable combines durability, performance, and long-term reliability for demanding video connections. Now our second product is QGB DVI cable. This 6-foot DVI to DVI 24+1 dual link cable is a dependable solution for high-resolution digital video connections, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals for monitors, projectors, and HD TVs. Designed for dual monitor setups, gaming systems, and professional workstations, it supports resolutions up to 2560 by 1600, ensuring crisp detail and smooth performance well beyond standard Full HD. The dual-link design enables higher bandwidth transmission, making it ideal for graphics-intensive tasks and high-performance displays. Built with gold-plated connectors, the cable provides optimal signal conductivity and corrosion resistance, while molded strain relief enhances durability for long-term use. Its universal compatibility ensures seamless operation with desktops, laptops, Blu-ray or DVD players, and other DVD 24+1 supported devices. The 6-foot length offers practical flexibility, allowing clean and organized installations without excessive cable clutter. Combining performance, durability, and versatility, this DVI cable is a reliable upgrade for any digital video setup. Our third product is Capture DVI cable. The Capture 6-foot HDMI to DVI cable delivers high-definition 1080p video with a plug-and-play design, supporting multiple resolutions including 800 by 600, 1024 by 768, 1280 by 1024, 1600 by 1200, and full 1080p. Perfect for connecting DVI-equipped computers, laptops, or desktops to HDMI displays such as HD TVs, monitors, projectors, or gaming consoles. It also works seamlessly with devices like PS3, PS4, Xbox, and Nintendo Wii. Its robust construction ensures long-term reliability, featuring 24K gold-plated connectors, oxygen-free copper conductors, reinforced nylon braiding, and aluminum foil shielding to minimize electromagnetic, EMI, and radio frequency interference, RFI. Molded strain relief and finger-tightened screws provide durability and a secure connection, even with repeated plug-and-play usage. The cable transmits stable, high-quality digital signals, noting that it supports DVD-24+1 interfaces for digital-only transmission, while DVI will only pass digital signals. Backed by Capshi's lifetime support, this cable combines performance, versatility, and peace of mind for all your HDMI to DVI needs. Now number 4, Silkland DVI cable. The Silkland 16K DisplayPort 2.1 cable sets a new benchmark for high-performance digital connectivity, supporting resolutions up to 16K, 15360 x 8640, at 60 Hz with DSC, 8K at 120 Hz, 4K up to 240 Hz, and 2K at 360 Hz. Visa certified and backward compatible with DisplayPort 2.0, 1.4, 1.3, 1.2, and earlier versions. It ensures flawless video and audio transmission with support for dynamic HDR, HDCP 2.2, DSC 1.2a, and uncompressed 7.1/5.1/2.0 audio channels, along with 3D stereo. Imaging, designed for gamers and creative professionals, it provides 54 gigabits per second bandwidth, HBR3, and multi-stream transmission for immersive multi-monitor setups. Dynamic HDR enhances dark scenes, while 32-bit audio ensures precise sound cues in FPS and AAA titles. The ergonomic no-buckle and groove design, 28 AWG tinned copper conductors, triple shielding double nylon braid, and 24K gold-plated connectors deliver durability, minimal interference, and consistent signal quality. Compatible with top monitors and graphics cards including Odyssey G8/G9, Alienware 4090, 4080 Ti, and more. This cable is built for high-end performance today and the next decade. Silkland offers 24-month support with fast technical assistance. And our last choice is iVanke DVI cable. The iVanke DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable is a high-performance, Visa-certified solution designed for seamless 4K video streaming, gaming, and professional setups. Officially certified by the Visa Association, it guarantees top-tier quality and compatibility for DisplayPort devices, ensuring reliable extended desktop or mirrored display configurations. Supporting resolutions up to UHD 4K 3840 by 2160 at 60 Hz and refresh rates up to 165 Hz at 2K 2560 by 1440. This cable delivers a flicker-free experience without motion blur, screen tearing, or visual distractions, making it ideal for gaming and high-definition content consumption. Durability is a standout feature. With a premium nylon braided jacket that withstands over 28,000 bends, 24K gold-plated connectors, multiple shielding layers, and 30 AWG tin copper for stable interference. Free data transmission. Its latch-free, plug-and-play design ensures effortless connection to DP-enabled PCs, laptops, monitors, or projectors. The 6-foot length offers flexible setups, while iVanke provides meticulous quality testing and expert customer support for up to 54 months. Combining reliability, performance, and longevity, this DisplayPort cable is a smart upgrade for any high-definition digital set. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.